Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need an active SIM and a carrier plan that includes voicemail. Once confirmed, open the phone app and tap voicemail at the lower right. If you see Setup Now, tap it immediately. You'll be prompted to create a voicemail password and record a greeting. Do that now. The password secures carrier voicemail and ties visual voicemail to your number. Make sure cellular data is on while setting up if prompted, because the carrier verifies the mailbox. Once you've started setup, choose a strong voicemail password and record a clear greeting. Press Done when finished. Visual voicemail uses your Apple ID to display messages, so sign in when the prompt appears. This syncs transcripts and message list. If visual voicemail doesn't populate, toggle cellular data off and on, then force quit phone and reopen it. Make sure you allow the phone app cellular access in settings, so the carrier can fetch message. Complete setup by calling your number from another device and confirming the message appears in voicemail. This verifies both carrier mailbox and visual voicemail. If it doesn't show, restart the iPhone, recheck cellular data and phone permissions, and reattempt the test. If problems persist, contact your carrier to ensure voicemail is provisioned on their network. Sometimes they must activate it server-side or reset your mailbox. One key tip: ask the carrier to send a provisioning SMS if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.